All rise for the judge. They say, "Did you hear that? That's not just an engine." That's a statement. When Dreamgoatinc rolls into a car show, the crowd doesn't just look, they listen. Because what he's driving isn't just a car, it's a legend. This 1970 Pontiac GTO judge, black as midnight, red interior that pops like fire, sitting proud on 14-inch Rally 2 wheels and packing a 400 Ram Air 3 under the hood. This beast doesn't whisper, it roars. And behind the wheel, the man who lives and breathes muscle car culture, Dreamgoatinc. The YouTuber who turns chrome and horsepower into pure storytelling. Every video, every show, every burnout, he's not just showing off a car, he's keeping history. The M21 Muncie 4-speed transmission. Tight shifting close ratio, raw power. This isn't a Sunday cruiser, it's a street king. And when the judge arrives, the verdict is always the same: respect. So buckle up, because when Dreamgoatinc hits the road, the past doesn't just come back, it takes over. The verdict is in. No doubt the judge rules. Oh, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Click notification bell for more content.